Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 373 new aftermarket solutions, including many that simplify repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. This OE Fix radiator fan assembly is an upgrade for the Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. With improvements to the circuit board layout, a more effective heat sink, and a thermal pad, the control module dissipates heat better than the original part to operate the cooling fans under the most extreme conditions. Military-grade components allow for reliable operation at up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit compared to 250 degrees for the stock fans. A complete solution for fleet applications, it arrives ready to install, including fan shroud, dual fan motors, and blades. This truck bed patch panel is another Dorman OE Fix. When corrosion consumes your Ford Super Duty pickup's bed, this patch panel allows you to repair the damage locally without having to replace the entire bed. Made of high-quality steel in the same gauge as the original, it arrives finished in weldable primer for a clean weld-in installation. When water intrudes on the turn signal lamp in your Ram pickup's door mirror, you can replace just the lamp and not the entire mirror assembly. This door mirror turn signal lamp is a direct replacement for the original equipment lamp and features dual LEDs for brilliant illumination. This HVAC heater hose connector tech tray contains an assortment of the most common HVAC hose connectors for today's vehicles. This 56-piece tech tray includes Ford and GM-style connectors, elbows, and clips, plus a hose clap tool, hose removal tool, and flushing kit. Everything's organized in one neat, easy-to-find spot storage tray. When servicing the front axles on Nissan Rogue models, technicians often have difficulty working around the axle support bracket. Made of cast aluminum and engineered for a direct fit, this CV axle support bearing bracket can simplify the repair without incurring damage to the original bracket or axle bearing. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 25 air intake hoses, more than 20 replacement exhaust gas temperature sensors, and 12 new windshield wiper linkages for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, before you buy from the dealer, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com. You can also check out our new product feed page anytime. Thanks for watching. Join us next month to see our latest new innovative solutions.